Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we're unveiling an extraordinary transformation story from East Hampton, New York, where a simple container becomes a stunning $6 million dream home. At 13 Egypt Lane, innovation meets luxury as this container evolves into an architectural masterpiece, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in container home design. East Hampton Village is home to a remarkable property that combines historical charm with modern innovation. Spanning nearly half an acre, this estate features two distinct homes, a beautifully restored 18th century timber house from 1780 and a bold new shipping container home built from 8 containers. The container home showcases a stunning design that maximizes space and light. Its heart is an expansive great room connected to an open kitchen with massive sliding glass walls that open to porches on both sides. The home boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a rooftop lounge with panoramic views of the Hampton landscape. This East Hampton Village estate spans nearly half an acre on the famous Egypt Lane. This blend of old and new creates a unique architectural landscape on the property. The property is currently listed for sale at just under $6 million USD. It offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of East Hampton history combined with cutting-edge modern design. A bold new home built from 8 shipping containers stands next to the historic house. A spacious great room with an open kitchen. Its open layout and big windows let in lots of natural light. The kitchen has new appliances, a central island, and custom cabinets that fit the modern style. Outside, there's a wraparound pond and an infinity-edge pool. These water features add to the calm feeling of the property. A courtyard connects the old timber house to the new container home, creating a unified outdoor space. The container home features a spacious living area connected to an open kitchen. Big sliding glass doors let in lots of light and lead to porches on both sides. This setup makes the inside feel like it's part of the outside. The kitchen has new appliances, an island with seats, and custom cabinets that match the modern look. From the living room, you can see the pond and pool outside. The open layout is great for eating and hanging out with friends. People can easily move between indoor and outdoor areas. The porches next to the main room are perfect for outdoor meals or relaxing. Guests can enjoy views of the water features while socializing. The container home has 3 roomy bedrooms. Each one is set up for privacy and has big windows with nice views. The main bedroom has its own bathroom, a walk-in closet, and a private porch. The other 2 bedrooms are flexible spaces for family or guests. They each have easy access to bathrooms. There are 3.5 bathrooms in the home. They have modern fixtures like rainfall showers. The bathrooms use nice stone and soft lighting to create a fancy feel. Each bathroom is designed to be both stylish and practical. Porches wrap around the house. These spots give shade and a place to relax outside. The porches connect to the main room through the sliding walls. This makes it easy to move between indoor and outdoor spaces. People can chat and eat together whether they're inside or out. The house offers great views of the land around it. From the main room, you can see a pond and a pool that seems to go on forever. These water features make the property feel calm and match the house's modern look. The bedrooms also have big windows that show off the scenery. On the roof, there's a special area where you can see even more of the pretty landscape. The container home boasts a stunning rooftop area. This space offers wide views of the surrounding landscape. Tall beach grass lines the edges, creating a private feel. It's a great spot for relaxing or hosting guests under the open sky. A peaceful courtyard links the old timber house and the new container home. This area blends both building styles with lush plants. The design guides visitors smoothly from the courtyard to other outdoor spaces. The property features an infinity-edge pool that reflects the container home's clean lines. A wraparound pond adds to the calm feel of the outdoor space. These water features create a peaceful setting for the whole property. This unique estate is for sale at just under $6 million. It offers a rare mix of historic charm and modern design in a prime location. As we conclude our tour of this remarkable $6 million dream home on Egypt Lane, we hope you've enjoyed seeing the extraordinary journey from a simple container to a luxurious sanctuary. From bold design choices to high-end finishes, this home is a testament to the power of vision and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you loved this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more architectural wonders from Alvinsa Studio. Until next time, keep dreaming big, embracing innovation, and living beautifully. Farewell from Alvinsa Studio.